Hello friends, welcome to this video. We have reviewed high-quality products in our channel's video. Hope you like it. Please subscribe to our channel. Number 1. Benlari 1-inch 1.5-inch driver floorboard extensions. The driver floorboard extensions kit fit for Harley-Davidson Touring Street Glide, Road King, Electra Glide, FLHT, FLHR, FLTR, FLHX 2009 to 2024 and Tri-Glide 2010 to 2013. Note: not compatible for 2024 Road Glide. Fit for Harley floorboard extenders kit allows. Number 2. Mofun 1.25 Street Glide driver floorboard outward extension spacer. Fit Touring Street Glide FLHX, Electra Glide FLHT, Road King FLHR, Road Glide FLTR 2009 to 2023, FL Trikes 2009 to 2013, cannot work with Chrome display stand, HDP/N 99002 to 97. This kit made of CNC billet aluminum with stainless steel bolt. Move your stock driver boards outward 1.25. Number 3. SLMOTO driver floorboard extensions. For Harley Streamliner style touring models CVO, Road Glide, Street Glide, Electra Glide, Road King 1993 to 2023. Does not fit for trike models. High-quality aluminum footboards, rubber pads, foot gripping rubber pads and black pans offer great looks and great feel. Number 4. Floorboard 3/4 extension spacer kit compatible. The driver floorboard extension spacer is made of aluminum with a black powder-coated surface finish. It makes this floorboard 3/4 foot extension spacer high strength, corrosion resistance, and rust resistant, thus prolonging the service life, which is more durable and makes you feel the value for money. Number 5. RENO 450 driver floorboard extension kit. RENO floorboard extensions kit made of 6061 aluminum alloy with stainless steel bolt. Sturdy use, reliable quality, waterproof and rust-resistant, comfortable driving. The foot control component allows you to move your stock driver boards outward 3/4. Keep your legs away from the gas tank and the exhaust muffler.